Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into some simple yet powerful secrets to unlock radiant, youthful-looking skin. You might be surprised to learn that it's not all about expensive products. It starts with the basics. First up, let's talk hydration. And I don't just mean on the surface. Drinking enough water throughout the day is non-negotiable for maintaining your skin's elasticity. Think of it like this. Hydrated skin is plump, bouncy, and resilient, which helps keep those fine lines at bay. It's the foundation for that dewy, youthful glow we all want. So keep that water bottle handy. Next, your daily defense. Moisturizer with SPF. This is your two-in-one hero. A good moisturizer works wonders to improve your skin's texture and clarity, making it feel soft and smooth. But the SPF is the real game changer. It shields you from sun damage, which is a major cause of premature aging. Using it every single day, rain or shine, is one of the best long-term investments you can make for your skin's health. Now let's get hands-on with a technique that feels amazing and delivers incredible results. Facial massage. Have you ever woken up feeling a bit puffy? A gentle facial massage can be your best friend. It enhances lymphatic drainage, which helps to flush out toxins and reduce that morning puffiness, especially around the eyes. You'll instantly look more refreshed and awake. But the benefits don't stop there. Massaging your face also boosts blood circulation. This increased blood flow delivers a fresh supply of oxygen and vital nutrients directly to your skin cells. The result? A natural, healthy radiance that glows from within. It's like a nutrient boost for your complexion, giving you that vibrant, healthy look without any makeup. And for the long-term win, regular facial massage can actually help turn back the clock. The gentle, consistent stimulation helps to encourage collagen production. Collagen is the protein that keeps our skin firm and elastic. By boosting its production, you can effectively reduce the appearance of wrinkles and improve your skin's overall firmness over time. It's a natural, relaxing way to support your skin's structure. So there you have it. Hydrate from the inside out, protect your skin daily with SPF, and treat yourself to the amazing benefits of facial massage. Simple steps, powerful results. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more skincare secrets. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.